Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the drain hose assembly on your washer. The reason why you might have to do this is because the drain hose assembly is damaged, causing water to leak out on your floor. For this repair, we'll be using a 1/4-inch nut driver, a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of needle nose pliers, and a pair of channel locks. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the washer we'll be using in this demonstration. It's an Amana, and yours might be a little bit different than what we've got here, but the same technique should still apply. We're going to have to turn our washer around. So in order to get the control console off, we're going to have to undo 4 screws. You've got these 2 screws up here, and then 2 screws that are inside right there. We're going to start with our 1/4-inch nut driver, and we're going to remove this screw here. Now I'm going to use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the other 2 screws. There we go. And these screws actually don't come out of there. They kind of just stay right there. Now that those screws are out, what we can do is push our console forward and just lean it down now. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to unplug the timer here. So I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver to lift up on this tab, and then I'm just going to pull out. And we're going to unplug the cords here. And we're going to put the screwdriver underneath this and unplug these wires as well. That'll give us a little bit more slack to work with. Now I'll use a 1/4-inch nut driver, and I'm going to take the grounding screw out. And just move the grounding wire off to the side, and then I'll put the grounding screw back in just a little bit, not all the way down, so that holds it in place. Now I'll unplug the rest of these wires up here. This one's got a clip on one side, so we're just going to pull that up like that. There we go. Now we can just move the control console up a bit so it's out of our way. Now I'll take the needle nose pliers, and I'm just going to squeeze in on this locking tab right here, and we're going to just pull this out. There we go. Now we're going to unplug the air tube. And we're just going to feed it out of everything. And now we're going to just pull this out from the clip that it's in. Now we can set our control console to the side. Now I can take the frame off. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to tilt it back. And once I've got it clear of the washer, I can pick it up and set it off to the side. So our drain hose assembly is going to include this hose that runs into this piece right here, and this hose as well that connects all the way up here. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to take my channel locks, and I'm going to grab onto this clamp, and I'm going to release the hose. So I'm going to release the hose, and once I've got it loose, I'm just going to wiggle the hose free. Move that clamp on the back there. And then just wiggle the hose free. And keep in mind, just like you see there, that some water may still be inside the pump right there, so you just want to keep a towel handy. So if you take a look right here, we've also got a hose retaining clamp that goes into this leg. So I'm going to take my needle nose pliers, and I'm going to squeeze on the clamp. Once I squeeze that clamp, I can feed it back through the hole. And now we're just going to pull it right through. Okay. And now from this side, we're going to squeeze with our needle nose pliers again and push these tabs through the slots. And once we've got them through, we can tilt it and pull it out the rest of the way. Okay, and now we can pull the hose through. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement drain hose assembly. If you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So now we'll feed our hose through the slot in the back of our washing machine. So now with these tabs here, they overlap, so one goes underneath, the other one goes on top, and so on. So we're going to follow that pattern and slide it in like that. And then we can push the tabs straight through and they lock into place. So now we're going to take our clip on our hose and we'll lock that into place. And that just pushes through the frame and it's secured like so. And we'll use your channel locks to grab a hold of the clamp. And once we've done that, we'll squeeze it all the way and just work it forward so it locks our hose into place. There we go. So now our hose is secure. We can put it back together. So now we're going to put the frame back on. And in order to do that, we're just going to slide it up till we get to the base, and then we're going to let it go down nice and gentle. And ideally what you're going to want to do is when it goes down onto the frame, there are a couple of slots at the base of the frame right here, and you're going to want to make sure that those slots go over top of the tabs that are on the base. And we'll just work our way over with all the wires. We'll plug in everything. There we go. Now we're going to put our console back into place, and we're going to slide the top over the metal here, just like that. And you're going to want to make sure that the straps are on the outside so you can screw them back in. As you do this, you're also going to want to make sure that the clips on the bottom of the console are inside the bottom holes right here. Now we can screw everything back in. There we go. And once you've got those screwed in, you can turn everything back around, plug it back in, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.